G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. It's been a while since I had a look at any of the SilverAnt titanium gear. Now if you've watched any of my other videos, I do like the quality of the SilverAnt Outdoors gear. Excuse me. So I've got a habit of going back saying, more please, more. Price wise, it's on par with other companies with the titanium. Quality wise, I find there's just a little bit better quality. Now, I've had these sat on the side for quite a while. You've probably seen them in the background on the shelves or over one side or another side out of the way. Weather here, terrible. Wind, rain, storms, heart attack. 4 weeks ago, not able to do much getting out in the bush, even though it's a perfect time now because we're allowed to have fires. The titanium camping plates, let's start with them. They come in two different sizes. We've got a 900mm and we've got a 1200mm. Now 900mm, let's get rid of specs, is 30.43 fluid ounces and weighs 148 grams, which is 5.22 ounces. The 1200mm, which is the one I've got here, which is 40.57 fluid ounces. And where are we? Oh, did I write it down? I forgot to write the weight down of the. Oh no, the medium size one is 148 grams. The large one here, the 1200, is 158 grams. Which is 5.57 fluid ounces. Right, the capacities are of the large one, which is here, the 1.2 litre is 40.57 fluid ounces. Diameter 240 millimeters, which is 9.45 inches. Height is 33 millimeters. Which is 1.29 inches, and the bottom diameter here is 175 millimeters, which is 6.88 inches. The medium one, height 33 millimeters, 1.29, the same as the large one. The top is 220 millimeters, 8.66 inches, and the bottom is 185 millimeters, 7.28 inches. Made out of 99.7% pure grade 1 titanium, uncoated, unlined surface, ultralight, single wall construction, corrosion resistant, biocompatible, non-toxic, non-allergenic, lifetime guarantee on material and workmanship. Now that's the measurements of this out of the way. Size wise, it's great for your meals. You're easy to get into it. Can be used as a frying pan if you want to. Good quality, I do like it. And you got their logo on the side, which is actually saying the SilverAnt titanium 1200mm, this one. And at the same time as getting this, I got the pot set. Now this is the medium 2-piece titanium pot and pan camping cookware set. Now these two pieces can be bought separate. Quality wise, again, I do like the quality, good quality. Locking handle on top, so the lid's not going to fall off in transport. To open it, what we've got to do is just squeeze that in a bit, which will unlock down here. Let's show you. And if you just squeeze it, that will open up and then lock back in place there. So that pan is secure. lid. We have 3 drain holes in it. And they're normal little spring top, which I do like these. Let's get it down. It'll lock down, out of the way, or spring back up, and it's not going to go anywhere. So you can get your stick through there, your fork, spoon handle, or grab it with ease. Doesn't fit the frying pan. You could make it, but it's just a bit small for the frying pan. But fits perfect on the pot it's made for. Now what I do like about this, they've got on the handle to make it even safer, they've actually got a lock on it here. So at the moment we can still squeeze it, but if you push that down, it can't squeeze, so it can't come undone, so it's not going to collapse on you. Which is a nice little feature just by having that there. Handles nicely sized, balanced quite well. Not a lot more could be said about that. There's no negative I can find. Material wise, it's the same as the plate. Here's the bag it comes in. That's just the pot. But let's see if the... No, that won't fit in there. That's just a pot, and the frying pan will fit in a nice bag. This does have its own bag. I don't know what I've done with it, to be honest. But yeah, it does come with a bag for storage if you wish. So that's the pot and the lid with a lock on it, nice and secure. Frying pan from SilverAnt, very similar handle on it. Give it a squeeze in to lift it up, clicks into place. Again, I'll show you. Can't come up, give it a bit of a squeeze, bring it around, locked straight into place. And again, you've got your actual lock here, which you'll just slide down and it'll stop it squeezing the handle shut, so it's all secure and safe. Now let's go through the specs and the measurements, shall we? The frying pan, this is 750ml, 26 fluid ounces, which is 35mm high, which is 1.37 inches. The width is 172mm, which is 6.8 inches. It weighs in at 142 grams, which is 5 ounces. The pot with the lid is 1600ml, which is 56.3 fluid ounces. Height 100ml, which is 3.93 inches. The width is 170ml, which is 6.9 inches. The weight is 296 grams, which is 9.4 ounces. Total weight of that set there is 438.5 grams or 15.46 ounces. Now these can be bought separately. So if you just want a pan, you could buy the pan separate. If you just want the pot and lid, you can buy that separate. And that was a separate one, which I got at the same time. When I get a chance to actually get out bush, when the storm's gone, I've recovered from the heart attack properly, where I can spend a night or two out there, I can take these out with me, get the fire going. I'll make another video whilst using it and showing you what I mean about these and the quality of it. But at the moment, I can just say, if you are interested in anything like this, there will be a link down below. They are good quality. I do like them. I've got their stoves, I've got other pots. Let's see where the stove is. Now I'll just grab this. So that sits on there nice. You've got to be careful, the same with any. But once you've got weight in there and you have the handle following the line of this, where the main support is, that's going to be fairly stable. Again, with the pot itself, following the actual cross member here, that sits even nicer on there. So it will fit on them. Now let's find another stove to try it on and show you. No idea what, it's packed away in the bag at the moment. Let's just double check. Yeah, they're about the same size as what we just used. Let's use this little stove. This is a little Tom shoe, which is similar to the ever new one. That's on the top. The frying pan. It's a bit awkward to sit on there. I suppose once you get your bacon and eggs in there, it's going to help, but you're going to have to hold that one in place. Pot. The pot sits on there, quite stable. You are going to have to be careful with it. It'll do the job. Let's put that back up there. No. Now I'm looking forward to getting out with these. I am. So we'll undo that, put that down there, and I can lock it in place so it doesn't come undone. So that's that locked now. Again, do the same with that. Squeeze it, pull it, lock it, that's nice and secure on there, into the bag, do it up, all done, all secure. So that is the SilverAnt medium 2-piece titanium pot and pan camping cookware set, which you can buy separate, and a titanium plate which comes in 2 different sizes. So hopefully soon I'll get out with these. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not already a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell next to it and select all. Hit the thumbs up button to like. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.